Hey, what's up, WAXP Coin holder? What's going on? Today video is going to be very important, my friend, for all of you now, because the price is very badly decreased now. So what we will need, my friends, to do to get a profit in very short time, my friend. And this time, absolutely, some coins were very badly fails down, like WAXP Coin, and you can see, my friend, 0.27% they will decrease now. But after a fail, first of all, congratulations, my friend, to the price will starting increasing. As you can see here, my friend, this time the price will moving upward. As you can see here, absolutely, this is just an only a very good profit time, my friend. After this short fails, definitely they will take a jump, so therefore I will notify you, my friend, to in upcoming days. This is 100% chance, my friends, so they will give you a profit. Kindly, if you are just an only hold now, so I hope, my friends, they will make you millionaire now. Please, holders, some holders are doing very huge mistake. Today are starting selling in those days, but it's a very bad, my friends, bad decision to you will starting selling, because everybody knows this, my friends, to when a holder are starting selling, so the coin were very badly falls down and the price will be decreasing. So I will notify you to please don't do this mistake. Please, if you want to get a profit in very short time, now just and only I will notify you, my friends. Please decision personally, please, but I just notify you, my friends, to please don't starting selling. Just and only you will need to hold. I hope they will make you millionaire now. So see you next time, WAXP Coin holder. Please like video if you want to earn money in a crypto. Now subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.